would like to introduce the new Kyoritsu KEW 2117R digital clamp meter. Here are the basic specifications. The jaws are designed to accommodate conductors up to a maximum of 33 millimeters. It measures AC current up to 1000 amps and measures AC and DC voltage up to 600 volts. It also measures continuity and resistance. The 2117R is a high-resolution 6000 counts clamp meter featuring an extra large display. All the necessary accessories for standard testing are included in the box. These include test leads, batteries, instruction manual and a soft carry case. The 2117R has been designed with 3 key safety factors in mind: safety, user-friendliness and reliability. First, safety. It is important to choose the correct meter for your particular working environment. Because the 2117R has a Category 4 safety rating, it can be used safely even at the point of origin for high-energy power sources. For extra safety, the jaws do not have any metal part exposed that could make a short circuit while measuring on an uninsulated conductor or bars. The 2117R also features a non-contact voltage function which indicates the presence of voltage 70 volts or higher in any electrical circuit or electrical equipment detected by the unit's sensor without direct contact with the source. Secondly, user-friendliness. Compared to most other clamp meters, the 2117R has a much larger LCD display, making it easier for the user to read. Also, its teardrop-shaped jaw enables easier access to even the most hard-to-reach areas such as connection box or in switchboards. The ergonomic overmolded body ensures a comfortable fit for your hand. The instrument also incorporates electronic protection which is fuseless to save it from damage in the event of overvoltage being applied in the resistance, continuity or buzzer ranges. Thirdly, reliability. Perhaps more than anything else, the user needs to feel confident in the accuracy of his meter's readings. The 2117R incorporates a True RMS function. This feature enables accurate readings even in the presence of distorted waveforms such as those created by modern technology. For instance, LED lamps, motor inverters, PCs, TVs, air conditioners, etc. So we can confidently recommend you use and take advantage of the many features and benefits of the Q2117R for your electrical jobs.